Daniel's Visions Radio. What up though? That's Not Me by Iamexcelente. What's wrong with me? Let's go.
Thankful of money, down on my luck. It's 2 in the morning, in bed alone and it sucks. My current friends, after a while it gets boring. I find myself top down, 100 miles in a foreign. Dressed to kill, casual designer. Females expecting, whining, dining. That ain't me. Domino's for dinner, 11:30 p.m. in the bed alone watching Sports Center. That's not me.